It is a design flaw. Mali yung design.
Held liable.
A big headache indeed for President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. after he inspected the bridge connecting Cabagan and Santa Maria towns in Isabela Thursday. The bridge collapsed on February 27 after a dump truck carrying 100 tons of boulders passed over it. The bridge cost the government 1.22 billion pesos. Completed recently on February 1, 2025.
Ang project cost ito is 1.8 billion. So binawasan to under 1 billion para makamura. This is supposed to be a suspension bridge. Ito lang ang suspension bridge na nakita ko sa buong mundo na hindi kable. At yan na mismo ang bumigay. Ayan, diyan bumigay yung bakal. Kung kable yan, hindi dapat bumigay yan. Tapos yung pag-anchor nung support, tignan niyo, doon lang sa baba. Dapat sa taas yan hanggang sa taas para hanggang sa taas para yung buong arc. Ito ang nagsusupport sa kanya. Yan yung bakal na nakikita niyo at saka yung semento. Yan lang ang nagsusupport doon sa buong tulay. 900 million natin yung original na budget. Umabot ng 1.2 dahil nag-refit. Bakit nag-refit? Nung nagko-construction pa lang may nakita na gumagalaw na mahina. This is a 44-ton bridge. Dapat 44 tons ang acceptable load. Yung dalawang truck na yan, yung naiwan yung isa, over 100 tons yan. Dalawa yan ang dumaan. Kaya, ayan ang nangyari. Hindi talaga kaya. So, yung nagtitipid natin sa 1.8 million, useless. Ngayon, babalik na naman tayo, gagastos na naman tayo ng malaki. Papalitan natin yung mga support, parang nagtayo na naman tayo ng bagong tulay. Yeah.
Held liable.
I always have a saying, fix the problem, not the blame. Ayusin muna natin yung problema. Believe me, we will find out who is responsible. Who is responsible is basically who made the design. Because their design was poor. Look what happened. And then also, those trucks should never have been on the bridge. So, sino liable dyan? Province?
Hindi national to national.